Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX natural gas market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened near 191. We expected natural gas to stay in selling, maintaining 193.5 as stop loss. Right after the opening, the price came down till 188 and it had some selling. The price took some support around 188 and recovered completely to reach 194 and close near that. So we could witness again some sort of buying at the bottoms. Today you can expect the price to open within 194 and 193. What we can do today, how we can position ourselves for today's trading. Two things we can do. We had made a decent profit in this contract. So one is we need to wait for the price to give a clear direction, which means we need to wait for more than one week to give the price some clear direction, so that the price will settle down. Let's pick the trend. So that's one way. If you want to take a risk in trading, then place stop loss near 191 and go for buying in natural gas market, expecting that the price can come and hit 199.6. So this should be the next target area, where the price can give a retracement till that zone, if there is some buying. So we obviously advise, if you are a risk taker, you can go for buying. Else let's settle down and wait for the market to give us a clear direction, then we will re-enter into trade. So let's see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.